Hey, what's up? This is Madhvansu and today we are looking at the Halo Solar, a budget-friendly smartwatch coming from the sister brands of Xiaomi's ecosystem. But how good it is? Let's find out. The box is basic, just some specifications on the back. Let's just quickly remove the plastic, slide the upper part, and on opening the box we are directly treated with the watch itself. Aha, it looks and feels premium. Let's just keep it aside and look what else we are greeted with. A proprietary magnetic charging cable which snugs in nicely and a user manual. We don't need it, just plug it and throw it away. Nothing much else is included in the box. Let's just remove the protective shield from the watch and power it on. Firstly, let me clear out, the name solar included in the watch naming have nothing to do with solar energy or anything. In my opinion, it would be this round dial which would have got this name. The watch synchronized with the Halo Fit app. At first glance, it's really hard to believe that such good design could be seen on such a price point. It follows the same minimalistic philosophy of Xiaomi's design. The watch design is aesthetically pleasing with the watch dial made up of matte finished metal. The straps are soft and durable and are easily interchangeable with any of those 20mm watches. There is a crown on the side which serves as a navigation button. It serves to turn on the watch or may take you home from any option. The screen is a TFT touch display coming at 1.28 inches with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. Although it is not an AMOLED panel, but its viewing angle are great even in direct sunlight. Scrolling through the watch is simple. Swipe down to open the control center, where you find your battery information, the setting option, the do not disturb toggle, the brightness setting option. Here you are getting the 4 levels of brightness. And find my phone feature. The default watch face is too informative and can be swapped with those inbuilt ones. Although there are not 100 to choose from, but the ones that are included are cool enough to be changed according to your style. Press and hold the watch face to change it. My personal one is this classic looking watch face. Swipe right or left from the watch face to view your statistics, your heart rate, your sleep tracking dial, the weather updates, and a breathing exercise feature, which comes in use when you just have your cardio session done. Now swiping up brings a whole set of options, which includes a sports section which lets you manually select from 12 different modes including basketball, football, gymnastics, and even rowing. Further down you get a notification tab where all your selected notifications are pushed from your phone. Although I do miss a quick reply option, but I like the extended text feature displaying all the complete message you are getting in the notification. You can even get the call alert feature and can decline the call from the watch itself. Moreover, we are getting a music control option. So you don't need to take your phone out of your pocket, as you can easily play or pause the current track you are playing or move to the next one. Down below, in the more setting option, you are getting stopwatch and countdown timer. The setting lets you power off your watch and even turn it to factory default settings. The watch isn't afraid of getting sweaty, dirty or wet thanks to its IP68 rating. So the watch is moreover a tracker with its high-grade sensor at the back which lets you monitor your heart rate 24 hours, accelerometer for your step counting and other for your sleep and other sport-related activities. Although the absence of GPS can be filled in when you bring your phone along with you. The battery inside this thing is 340 mAh and is promised to last you 30 days on a single charge with basic usage, while on full feature utilization it may give up to 15 days of battery life. In conclusion, the Halo Solar is a strong competitor for the fitness bands as it covers all the features of them and even adds smartwatch basics to the package as well. in such a tight price bracket. It looks and feels premium overall. Shop for this smartwatch from the given link if you want to grab yours. A like would be appreciated. We'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe. Peace out.